All right, your PC is crashing randomly, showing blue screens, or behaving erratically, and you're not sure if it's software or hardware. Before reinstalling Windows or spending money on repairs, check your RAM. Windows has a built-in memory diagnostic tool that tests your RAM thoroughly and reports the results. No downloads, no third-party software required. Click the search bar and type MDCSH, or press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type MDCSH and press Enter. The Windows Memory Diagnostic dialog opens with two options. Restart now and check for problems, the recommended, restarts your PC immediately and runs the test before Windows loads. Check for problems the next time I start my computer. Schedules the test for your next restart, useful if you need to finish what you're working on first. For an immediate result, click Restart Now and check for problems. Save any open work first. The PC restarts immediately. After restarting, instead of loading Windows, you'll see a blue screen showing the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool running. This is normal. It runs before the operating system loads, so it can test RAM without interference from running software. The test takes anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes, depending on how much RAM you have. Do not interrupt it. Let it run to completion. If any errors appear on screen during the test, those are already significant indicators of faulty RAM. When the test finishes, your PC restarts automatically into Windows. Once Windows loads after the test, the results aren't displayed automatically. You need to look them up in Event Viewer. Click the search bar and type Event Viewer. Open it. In the left panel, expand Windows Logs and click System. The center panel shows a list of system events. Look for events with the source Memory Diagnostics-results. Click on the Memory Diagnostics-results event. In the lower panel, the results will state one of two things. The Windows Memory Diagnostic tested the computer's memory and detected no errors. Click the Details tab for the complete technical output, or read the General tab for a plain language summary. This means your RAM passed both test passes without any errors detected. Your memory is in good health. RAM is not the cause of any issues you're experiencing. Any other result, particularly any mention of errors, hardware problems, or failed tests, indicates that one or more RAM modules have faulty cells or connections. If you receive an error result, the next steps are: if you have multiple RAM sticks, test each stick individually by removing all but one and running the test again. This identifies which specific module is faulty. After identifying the faulty module, replace it. RAM is generally straightforward to replace on both desktops and most laptops. Drop a comment with your result, pass or error, and what symptoms prompted you to run the test. A like and subscribe helps the channel, and I post practical Windows guides every day. Thanks for watching.